Hello everyone, this is Vinith Vakiti presenting you the case brief of Sangvi Movers Limited versus Albana Engineering Private Limited and others, decided by National Company Law Tribunal Kochi. In the instant case, Albana Engineering LLC Dubai entered into contract with Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited to carry out structural work at refinery in Kochi. To this effect, Albana Engineering LLC Dubai has issued two bank guarantees of worth rupees 24 crores and 67 lakhs in favor of BPCL as security for performance of contract. The Albana Engineering LLC Dubai, for the purpose of executing the said contract, has incorporated a fully owned subsidiary in the name of Albana Engineering India Private Limited. The subsidiary company, since its inception, has not carried out any work apart from the work awarded by the BPCL company to its parent company. The Albana Engineering India Private Limited had approached various operational creditors for availing services and materials to execute the work at the designated project site. The company has also issued several work orders and purchase orders to that effect. The Albana Engineering India Private Limited has issued checks to the operational creditors for the consideration due towards the discharge of its liability, but the checks were dishonored due to lack of sufficient funds. Aggrieved by the said act, the operational creditors have approached the NCLT for initiation of corporate insolvency resolution process, and subsequently the NCLT admitted the matter and appointed interim resolution professional. During the CART, the resolution professional suggested the committee of creditors led by Punjab National Bank to invoke the bank guarantees of the parent company and use the same for the resolution of the corporate debtor, that is Albana Engineering India Private Limited. However, the COC was skeptical regarding technical issues of the invocation of bank guarantees because those bank guarantees were given by the parent company of the corporate debtor, and also the given bank guarantees are also performance specific bank guarantees. In result of these events, the operational creditors have approached NCLT by filing an interlocutory application under Section 60 Clause 5 of IBC to seek direction against BPCL to invoke two bank guarantees furnished by the parent company. The Council for Operational Creditors insisted for the lifting the corporate wheel of the company and considered the group companies as one single entity. They have also contended that the assets of the parent company should be treated as the assets of the subsidiary company, as there is common control, management and 100% shareholding by the parent company. They have requested to resolve the matter urgently as the bank guarantees are expiring shortly, and moreover there is no recovery option against the corporate debtor since it is no longer operational and does not have corporate office, staff or books of account. The counsel for BPCL argued that there is no privity of contract between BPCL and corporate debtor. They have also submitted that there are several suits pending against the parent company and corporate debtor in various courts, and the entire bank guarantees amount is attached. Therefore, any direction by NCLT to invoke the bank guarantee would be in contempt and violation of the injunction orders of the courts, and moreover, BPCL being a public sector undertaking, such direction would be prejudice to the public exchequer. NCLT has perceived the matter in hand to be a case involving group insolvency. It acknowledged that the consolidation of companies within the ambit of insolvency laws is a complicated subject because of the cross-country jurisdictions and other long-term implications. The bench has also referred various precedents for this matter, which includes SBI versus Videocon Industries Limited and others, State of UP and other appellants versus Renu Sagar Power Co., Kodak Limited versus Clark. The lifting of corporate wheel is case specific and there is no straitjacket formula that can be applied blindly. The bench upheld the principle that laid down in ArcelorMittal India that the court may lift the corporate wheel for the purpose of depriving company or its controller for the advantage that they would have otherwise have obtained by the company's separate legal personality. Further, this principle is applied even to the group companies so that one is able to look at the economic entity of the group as a whole. The bench has held that the assets and properties, including any claim interest therein of Albana Engineering LLC Dubai held through its subsidiary company, shall be the property of the corporate debtor for the purpose of corporate insolvency resolution process. Though the guarantees given by the parent company are performance guarantees in nature, the liability of the bank is reduced to financial compensation only. Therefore, the bank guarantees are to be invoked so that the parent company cannot get away with the obligations. It ordered the BPCL to invoke both guarantees and keep the proceeds in an interest-bearing fixed deposit with itself. Thank you.